Good morning and happy Saturday. Today is 3rd of December, which is my birthday, and I'm so happy and I'm celebrating. I'm not doing anything super special. What is happening with my hair there? I just want to devote this day to take care of myself. So I'm starting it with going to yoga actually. So I am ready. Okay, this is a bowl of fruit. I'm getting ready to go to my yoga class, and then we will go to the city center, and tonight we have some dinner reservation. But how nice it is to have the Christmas tree behind. I'm kind of in a hurry actually at the moment because I need to be there in 5 minutes. My yoga studio, thank God, is super close to my place, but I get ready. I just wanted to say hello, good morning, and I will see you after the class. Hello, so it's much later actually. I finished yoga, I took a shower, I got ready, I did a very simple makeup, and we got ready to go to the Christmas market as you saw in the city center. I didn't want to show you so much because actually I would like to kind of devote a video about the Christmas market here because it's so nice, and we have actually several Christmas markets inside the city, which is very nice. But this is the outfit that I was wearing. It's a little bit, I have to have it a little bit more tucked in, but anyways, it's like my favorite of the season sweater that is from Zara, and just black pants from Mango, and I was wearing my coat. It's super cold outside. It's I think 1 degree, but it feels like -3, which is, you can really feel it because there is I think it's called like a windshield because there's some wind. That's why we feel it so much colder, but I cannot complain. It feels like a Christmassy and wintry day, which I love. And now I will actually change, and I will wear some more comfy clothes, and I will open my presents from my boyfriend. He kindly wrapped everything and he put it under the tree. I will show you, but we will do now the presents, also the cake, and tonight we will go for dinner. I'm very happy and excited for this dinner because I booked it. It's not something super fancy, but I love Mexican food, so we will go to a Mexican place that I have also spent another birthday there. I really like this place, and this is the plan for today. As you can tell, it's a quiet. I'm not like doing something super special, like super particular for my birthday, but I really enjoy this type of day. I wanted to, you know, devote a bit of my time today to go to yoga, which it was super nice. And fun fact, because I do Bikram yoga, apparently when somebody has their birthday, or his or her birthday, they sing a song while we do the triangle, and that was yes, it is a triangle, yes. So it never happened to me before, like either to sing or to other people to sing to me, but it was nice but awkward at the same time because you struggle a lot in hot yoga no matter what, and having to sing a song that's like on top, and it was so fun, but I felt so uncomfortable. But yeah, that was like my morning. It was fun, and now, as I said, I will get changed and I will just enjoy the timing of opening my presents. Good morning! Welcome to a new day actually. Today is Sunday, it's the day after my birthday. Unfortunately, yesterday I didn't have the time to upload a new video, and I think the footage that I got from what I did, it wasn't enough. So I thought to combine these 2 days together, like yesterday and today. And we are starting today with a fun adventure, let's say, walking Luna to the park, because she needs to go run. And I have to say it's very cold outside, so I have worn some of my warmest clothes. So I have like a, how can you, I don't know how to call them, like, you know, these very tight shirts that they keep you warm, and then on top I do have a Columbia long sleeve shirt, and then my jeans, and I will wear my shoes, very black. But you know, we are just walking Luna, and the goal for this is to be warm and not freezing cold. So yeah, I will also tie my hair up, but this is gonna be the outfit for now. And I will take you with us, so you know, you can see her run, because it's so cute when she's running, and then we will come back home. So I will see you in a little bit. So we have some early lunch, or like late breakfast, more of it, because for me this is more breakfast. So we have some cake from yesterday, we made some nice pancakes, and also I have toast, we call it in Greek. So this is our breakfast. I will also maybe have some tea, I will see. And yeah, we are going to enjoy. So we finished our brunch, and now I'm in our bedroom because I wanted to talk to you, and my boyfriend is playing on his computer, so I needed some peace and quiet, because I wrote some things that I wanted to share with you for the month of December, like what is the goals that I want to work on. I did actually the same thing for November. I set up some goals for the month, and I wanted to just, you know, discuss a little bit how this, you know, turned out for November, and now setting up new goals for December. So one of the goals that I had for November actually was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. To be more mentally stable, like I had a lot of ups and downs during the month of October, and I think because of all the work that I am doing with psychotherapy, I think that things are a little bit better, but still I have a lot of ups and downs. So I'm not sure how I worked on it, but it's not something that it will change, you know, from one day to another, or from one month to another. It really requires a lot of effort and work and time. And I think that this is like a long-term goal, but I put it here because I need to work on it like daily, if not daily, like weekly in a way. So I wanted to have in the back of my head that, you know, work on these extreme ups and downs. Reduce unnecessary eating. So for the month of November, I think I was a little bit more disciplined when it comes to my food intake in a way, and I wasn't snacking a lot as I used to. I also reduced a lot buying unnecessary things, for example like potato chips, or I never buy chocolate, but like cookies, things like this. Sorry, but my hair is like driving me crazy. Anyways, so this one I think it went a little bit better, so I'm happy for this. Also, I had the writing down my thoughts, and this I was like very good, I would say, compared to other months, so I'm very happy about this, and I will continue doing this for the month of December. Travel to a destination, and this happened actually. I did do a small trip to my brother. I didn't film anything because it was his birthday, so I wanted to keep it very private. So yes, I did a small, you know, travel, let's say. And then I wanted to be more present and intentional with my time, and this I think helped. I did it, not in the way, not as much as I wanted to, but I think writing my thoughts down helped me be more present and not spend like a stupid time, like, I don't know, playing on my phone, or scrolling a little bit, a lot, you know, on TikTok or wherever. I was more mindful in that sense, and I'm feeling fine. So I wanted now to move forward for the month of December, and I have written down 4 goals for this month. And first one, because we are in a festive season, we are, you know, almost, not almost, we have some days until Christmas, but we are preparing for this time of the year, for this event. So I know I will spend a lot of time with my family, which is not something that I am usually do because we are living in different countries. So I really want to enjoy my time, you know, when I will be back home with them. Of course, family, it's family, there are a lot of ups and downs, but I want to try to find a way to, you know, enjoy a lot my time there, and I'm sure I will do. I do have another point here, which is in relation to the festive season. It's to create a more festive atmosphere at home. We put our Christmas tree, as you saw in the previous video, up, so I'm very happy about it, but we really miss a lot of elements in order to make our home more Christmassy. So I will bring you along with this process during my throughout my videos. So I will, you know, express my way of thinking, what I want to do during this month in order to make our home a little bit more festive and cozy. The third goal is to take extra care of myself and my needs and prioritize me. I think this is a goal as one that I had for November, as I mentioned, to be more mentally stable. This is something that is a work in progress, but I want to highlight this, you know, prioritization to myself, because I tend to put a lot of people above, like people that I love above me, and sometimes I'm not very comfortable doing this. I do it with pleasure, but there is at some point sometimes a little bit of a how can I say, overstepping my own needs and desires and what I want to do. So I really want to, you know, focus this month, because I know family events are coming, and I want to, yes, prioritize, you know, my needs and my what I want to do, without of course disrespecting other people. It's more about respecting me. And the last one is to write down my thoughts. It's the same as in November. I want to do this because I saw it really helped me and it keeps me on track, and I want to continue this. So these are the 4 goals that I want to, you know, mainly focus for the month of December. I have written down everything again on my very well loved notebook. This is actually was a bullet journal notebook, but I turned it into just a regular notebook. I am very happy with the way I'm writing down notes, so I'm keeping this. And yes, these are the 4 things that I want to work for this month. Let's see how it goes, but I am very happy that the month of December is finally here. I love this month, not only because it's my birthday, but also it's like all the festivities, all this, you know, Christmas atmosphere. I just love it, and also it really motivates me to try to become a better person and a better version of myself. So that's why I also want to write everything down, so I can keep track of what is happening, because for many, I would say, years now, I was just going with the flow and it didn't really serve my purposes. And I still feel now that I am, you know, everything is behind in a way. Like I'm not moving as fast as I want to do and go in life, and for the things that I want to do and for my goals. So writing everything down is one of the most important things that I can say, and I think most of the people on the internet saying that will help you, you know, keep focus and keep track and see where you're going, and if you are, and show your development. So yeah, these are the goals. Let's move forward. I would like also your opinion about my hair. Like, look at this thing. I don't know how, it's like static electricity. I don't know how to, you know, stop them by doing this. Is it like they are needing more hydration? I have no idea, but everything is stuck into my face, and that's why many times I have my hair back or my hair on a ponytail, because I just hate the fact that they are not behaving. But yes, this is it for the moment. I will go back to the living room. I want to, you know, clean up some things that, you know, from our dishes and everything. And what else is the plan for today? I checked, I had some orders actually. I did some Black Friday orders, but they're still in transit, and I think they will come during this week. So we are, you know, we will have at some point an unboxing, which I'm very happy and excited, because these are things that I'm really looking forward to test and share with you my opinion. But yeah, I will go now. I'm just rambling, I feel. I will go now back in the living room, and I will see you in a little bit. I think we can, you know, what can we do else? We will see. I will think about, because I haven't planned anything for this evening. It's just a chill afternoon, evening. Maybe I will start a new puzzle, because the previous one we finished it, but very chill atmosphere, let's say, or a very chill vibe.